Hey guys, how you doing? Andy here from iTechECV, and I'm going to be giving you a quick unboxing or unpackaging of the Speedlink SPES Clip-On Microphone. Now this is a lapel microphone with a 3.5-inch audio jack. So we've got this rubbish packaging that I absolutely hate, and I will try and get it out to give you a quick test of the audio quality. So this packaging is my worst nightmare. So I'm just going to sort of rip this and pull it out like that. So here is the microphone. It's very small actually. Very, very small. If you can see that. I'll just move that out of the way. That is very, very small. And here we have the 3.5mm audio jack. So now I'm going to give you a quick audio test. So this is a quality test of the Speedlink, and I'm now recording on it. So I picked this up from Amazon for £6.40 or something. So I decided to try it out because it was so cheap, and it may bring you guys better audio quality. So thanks for watching, and let me know how the audio quality is sounding for you. Cheers.